Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing a video on strip lashes and individual lashes. Alright, so I'm gonna be applying them on my eyes and I want to see the difference and which one I prefer more. So اليوم حبيت اعمل فيديو عن اللاش الواحد اللي بيجي مثل هيدا وعلى اللاش الانديفيدوالز اللي بيجوا اللي بيجوا بقطعه وحده وانت لازم تحطيهم على رمشك. شوف اي شيء بحب اكثر، اي لاش بحب اكثر او اي رمش ستايل بحب اكثر. and I want to show you guys وحبيت فرجيكم لانه ولا مره جربت شوف الفرق. So I'm very excited to show you this process of individual lashes and strip lashes. So let's see which one we like. So first thing, I think I'm gonna start with the individuals. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna apply them, and also I'm gonna show you the difference between these and the strip ones. So what I like to do first is use my duo glue. This is my favorite glue to use when I apply lashes. I just put it on my hand just like that, just like a dot, like this. You can see I'm gonna start with short. أول شي ببلش بالshort, which is right here. Let me show you guys the short one. So أول شي ببلش بالقصير بعدين I'm gonna go to the medium ones. alright, وهيدا الشي بيساعدني كرمال اعطي شيب لعيني وحسب انتو بالشكل تبع عينكم. في منهم بيحبوا بس كلهم short، فيهم بيحبوا كلهم medium، وفيهم بيحبوا من short ل medium. So أنا for my eyes I can do both. I can do all medium or short to medium، بس لأنه بدي lifting effect so بدي عيني تشقل من هون. So I'm gonna use الأطول lash on the end and then the shorter lash على الانسايد. So اللاش الطويل اللاش الطويل على الآخر واللاش القصير بيكون من جوا. I'm gonna use my just a regular applicator and I'm gonna go in right here. I'm gonna go ahead with the medium size and apply it on the end. And you just want to look down. بدكم تطلعوا على مراية. make sure انه تحملوا مراية وتطلعوا هيك. like so. and تطلعوا لتحت بس تحطوا اللاش لانه بتكونوا تشوفوا كيف رح يطلعوا. ما تحطوا ماسكارا قبل ما تعملوا اللاش individual lashes لانه بتصير صعبة عليكم شوية تشوفوا. at least for me انا ما بحب احط ماسكارا first. and the lashes that I'm using are Ardell lashes. ماركة الرموش اللي عم بستعملها هي اسمها Ardell. باخد الميديوم sizes glue straight on the lash line. We want them to look like they are your own lashes. You know when you put lash extensions, that's how we want these lashes to look. حط الميرور تحت عيني like so and I place them the right way. So there it is. كمان إذا بتحبوا تعملوا push للlashes بتنطروا شوي so they can dry and then you can push them up like that. إذا بتحبوا lashes أكتر you can take the pieces and just add them on top. It's really, it works like perfectly fine. And then after I finish applying my lashes بس خلص من حط الlashes وخصوصي هيدولي because they are super natural. I like to go with my favorite mascara which is Bad Girl Bang from Benefit and just apply it on the lashes وعلى my lashes. هيك بيعملوا blend سوا وبتطلع كتير. Final thing I like to do is apply a black liner. بحب حط eyeliner على الرمش الفوقاني لأنه حطيت lashes. I think هيدا is gonna help put everything together and بيخلي الlashes يبينوا أكتر more fuller. إنه تحطي كحلة سوداء بعينك أو بالني. It depends انتو شو بتحبوا. So I'm just gonna apply it. Alright, so as you guys can see بس تحطي كحلة سوداء بتعبي لك الرمش من فوق and it just puts everything together. Alright guys, so now that we finished individual lashes, alright, so I'm gonna be using, for my strip lashes side, I'm gonna be using Miami. This is a top seller lash from Lily Ghalichi, so that's what I'm gonna use. Super fluffy and super natural. Take the glue from here and on the applicator and apply it on the glue, on the lash. Okay, by the way, بس حط هدول الرموش. When I put these lashes, I don't like to put mascara on them لأنه ما بحب حط mascara على هدول الlashes لأنه هن already fluffy and dramatic. So what I like to do with this side is apply mascara first. As you guys can see. Ta-da! Super easy. Yeah. I'm gonna go in and add a mascara on the lower. Individual. Strip lash. Of course guys, again I'm gonna put a black liner under the lash so it looks fuller. And trust me guys, trust me when I say. Alright guys, so that's the final look of this quick review on individual lashes versus strip lashes. And of course, I will say it a million times, I'm all about strip lashes. I'm really in love with the Lily Ghalichi ones. So dramatic, just how I like my lashes. They're not for everyone who likes more natural look, so if you're more on a natural side, you will love these. These are really nice. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Would I recommend Lily Ghalichi lashes? 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Would I recommend Ardell's? 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.